Once again, Xiaomi has proven that you don't have to pay your body weight in gold to get a quality, feature-packed phone, so long as you aren't looking for cutting-edge features. And for the first time ever, Android fans will be able to use a Xiaomi phone on LTE no matter where they live. The snappy, all-screen Mi Mix 2 includes the right radios to latch onto the fastest networks in the US and other countries across Europe. Before this, Xiaomi phones would ride slower 3G networks outside their home countries, which typically included China, India, and Brazil, if they worked at all.